What is up, you guys? It's RJ. We are back with our second Girls' Generation video. We checked out some really awesome songs. And the first one, I have listened to I Got a Boy over and over and over. I like it a lot, actually. It's very chaotic still, but I actually enjoy all the parts. It's a lot of fun. Can't deny that. So in this one, we're going to check out G, Beep Beep, at the request of Sir Austin, because he told me that his favorite song is Beep Beep. So we shall see what I think of it. The Boys and Genie. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I did see the description said this was originally released in 2009 and they remastered it last year. So bless. So I get to see the crispy looking version. So this ought to be fun. Let's go. Are we mannequins? Is that Minho? Wow, they actually look like them, like the dolls. Minho! Wow. That's so crazy. Almost a little creepy. Is Minho gonna be the love interest? I would love that. He is! I mean, I get it, girls. I get it. Oh, these shoes. Wait, this is really cute. Oh. That little pause throws me off because I'm not expecting it. This is so cute. They're just too cute. I love her shoes though. She said we still have dancing to do. There he is. He looks like a little teen. How old is he here? Wait, this had, what, 2009? Shiny debuted in... When did Shiny debut? Was it 2009 or 2008? I think it might have been 2008. Not a clue. He had to be like 18 or something, like 17, 18, one of those. Probably 18. I think Taemin was 14. Anyways, that was the cutest song I feel like I've seen in a long time. And I enjoyed like every bit of that. I'm not usually into that kind of stuff too. Like that kind of song right there would normally have turned me off and I've been like, on to the next. There was something so adorable about this and catchy as well that I couldn't help but smile at the whole thing and just kind of bounce along to it. I would totally listen to this again. Like, it was that fun. I think the chorus is really catchy too. There was a girl that was also kind of standing out to me. I didn't point her out because I was kind of sucked into the music video, and I have no way of describing her except that she had curly hair, and that does nothing to describe any of them. But yeah, I had a good time with that. Let's go on to the next one. So fingers crossed that this is the right one. It doesn't seem like the actual MV was uploaded by like SM or something like that. This is a Japanese MV as well, so again, fingers crossed. I don't know how this is going to go, if it's going to get blocked or not. I don't know. It should be fine, I guess, but beep beep. Are there captions? Probably not. I don't know when this one came out, but let's go. Curls in peace. All right, Austin. What do we got? First of all, the outfits.
Damn. Pick up the phone, yeah? Hello?
Is that the girl that I said I liked last time? Moshi Moshi. I like the choreo. Oh, that's totally her. Sunny? I think you guys said? The Moshi Moshi makes me think of Poppy. If you know, you know. Oh, her outfit. This is super catchy though. It just freezes for 10 seconds. Okay, that was fun. That was a good time. That actually, basically the same thing I said about the previous song. kind of applies here, except I liked G a little bit better than Beep Beep. However, Beep Beep, the Beep 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 part was the part that I was like, okay, I feel like that's gonna get stuck in my head. I feel like the more I replay this, I wouldn't skip this song if it came on. I like the Moshi Moshi part. I think that was, I don't know. I recognize that from another singer. So that was fun to hear. I think in some ways I'm slowly starting to recognize people too. Obviously, I feel like I can recognize Taeyeon just by her voice. I can't always recognize her by her looks. Maybe in these early music videos, her voice is just like particular, you know. This girl right here on the far right with the blonde hair, I think this is the girl Sunny. I think you guys told me that's her name. The girl with the red hair in Party that I pointed out. And I think Tiffany was another one that I pointed out. She had black hair, and I have no clue which one she is. All right, next we have The Boys, MV, Korean version. All right, let's go. Jesus, what for? Who disturbs my slumber? Doesn't look like Aladdin. It doesn't. Oh my god, what's going on with my glasses? Woo! Are we grown now? Oh, they're beautiful. Sick. Wow. Majestic slow motion bird. What? Oh, the footwork though. Damn. Oh. To the yard? Wow, Tim. This is grown and sexy. Wait. Oh, I love this one. The sass. Hey, the hair flip. Oh. She's gorgeous. Wow. Yes. Woo! This chorus. Also the choreo. Who is she? Wow. Wait. Huh. Excuse me? Slow-mo sand? Oh! Hey, vocals. Oh, the harmony. Didn't he just have long hair? This is the one. This is the one. Dang, I was waiting for the boys to come out too, though. I don't know who. Queens. A wallpaper. I loved everything about that. Everything about that. Everything down to like the vocals for one. That part where Taeyeon and that other girl were harmonizing. I don't know who that was, but she had a very beautiful voice. There was some girl in here that I was trying to point out. Oh, wait. I think I might have found her. Cause who is this? Is that Hyoyeon? Is that Hyoyeon? Is that how you say her name? I think that's her, but she is stunning. Like this whole outfit too. Yeah. Anyway, I need to calm down. So I think that this was probably my favorite song so far. I think this probably beat Lionheart, because I think Lionheart was probably my favorite one thus far throughout this little journey. I think The Boys is probably number one so far. I think this is like this is my kind of song. The song that I would like, the song that I would probably gravitate to the most, I think. Although I haven't heard Genie yet, so that remains to be seen. But I just think this was so good, like down to the choreography. The choreography was very sassy, very sexy, very like, I don't know, snappy. The footwork they were doing in heels, it all just like, it all worked so well. Yeah, I can't say enough good things. Korean version. So I'm assuming there's a, I don't know, Japanese, Chinese, one of those versions. Okay, we're wrapping up this music video. I'm sorry. We're wrapping up this video with the music video, Genie. Let's go. I don't think there's captions. Oh, this is Aladdin. Because I said Aladdin in the last one. Oh, are we pilots? Oh. Okay.
That's right.
Who is this man?
Come on.
This is not where I thought this was going based on the beginning. Oh, the outfits though. Legs for days. She's cute. Wow, their voices here. Wow. Yo, the choreography with the legs though. I feel like I can always recognize this girl. It's her features. Pretty voice. Why did that scare me? Why does that look like a face in the wall on the right? I don't know, that looked like a ghost face.
DJ, put it back on.
Excuse me? I love this set. Oh yes, vocals. Oh, I like how that echo is like lingering. Hey. Cool. Wow, it went in such a bizarre order. I feel like they went from being like babies to not babies to older babies to babies again. Okay, I like that one too. I think I would put that one up against, maybe not like directly up against the boys, but like probably beneath the boys as far as like the songs in order of what I liked in this particular video. I enjoyed the groove of that song. I enjoyed the choreography. I thought that was really cool. The way, specifically the way they had like the costumes with the short shorts to expose their legs in that way, but the choreography involved their legs a lot. So it was eye-catching, which I think was supposed to be the point. And they did a great job with that. I think the vocals were also amazing as well. I feel like they never are failing me on that. Again, I had such a good time watching these videos. I think some of you asked if there was going to be a Girls' Generation video every Friday. I can't say for certain. I would say expect it to end up being every other, probably at some point down the line. I think as of right now, because there's so much to check out, it will probably be every Friday. But when that day comes and it's not on that Friday, don't freak out. It'll probably be on the following week. I do also like that I'm slowly kind of recognizing people. I like Taeyeon, I think Sunny is her name. I don't know who Tiffany is. I know you guys told me in the party video, but with the way that I'm going between them like looking the way they did in Party and they did in Into the New World, it's like it's hard to like recognize who's who, but I feel like Sunny has like very distinct features for me to actually notice pretty much all the time. Taeyeon's voice and her eyes also pretty much catch me. Hyoyeon, I think that's how you say her name. She also is standing out to me a little bit too, now that I kind of recognize her face as well. So slowly but surely, I'm going to be able to point everyone out. When that day comes, I'll be so excited. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.